First, unscrew the first screws on the front bearings. Then remove the front bearing cover. We use high-temperature grease. Add grease to the inside of the bearing. Use a tool to apply the grease evenly. Just cover the entire bearing. After greasing is complete, put the cover back in. Alignment screw hole position. Install the screws back. You need to remove the 3 screws on the back cover first, and then remove the back cover. Grease the rear bearings. You need to prepare a grease gun. Find the grease nozzle. Just add grease into it. After greasing the bearings, you can also grease the chain appropriately.